with Meg. Today we are here with another yoga block stretch video. So if y'all are ready, let's begin. Okay, so our first move of the basic yoga block twist stretch video is going to be some spinal twists. So go ahead and come to seated position here. Have your yoga block in between your knees or your thighs, your calves, whichever one you prefer. We're going to roll it down here and bring your knees up to your chest, and we are going to twist here to our left side. So having your legs here, lean down over to your left side. Try and have your back flat up against the mat here, at least your shoulders here. I have my hands out here in a Texas T here. You can have them close to your side or however you want to have them, but I think having them out to the side here like I do is great because it really makes sure that your shoulders are pressing flat up against the mat to ensure that we have the greatest possible twist here for our spine. And all of these twisting positions in yoga really help to massage those internal organs, which promotes healthy digestion. And all of these moves are great, of course, if you work at a desk, if you sit down a lot, if you're a student. Y'all are doing great. Just keep holding this position here. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so slowly bring your knees back to center here. And we are going to twist on our other side here. So letting your legs hang down here, touching the ground. Make sure that yoga block is in between your knees. And if you can't get that full twist here and your legs are just kind of hanging up in the air, that is okay as well. We will work up to that. So make sure that you are feeling this twist here in your spine. Try and grab your shoulders down on the ground the entire time here. I started out filming today outside, but it got pretty hot, so I had to come inside. My phone actually stopped working. I was in the middle of filming one of my dance videos and it just completely shut off. So that was not good, but I'm glad it cooled off and I was able to resume filming indoors for y'all. It's been like the highs have all been above 100 these past couple weeks. I think yesterday the high real temp was like 108. It's been so hot outside. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, rolling your knees back to center here, and we are going to roll up. Our next few moves are going to be on our hands and knees here. So go ahead and come on up to tabletop position. Here, we're going to have the yoga block handy because we will be using it. Go ahead and come into all fours here. Lift your right hands up and grab the yoga block. Lifting real quick, and we are going to thread that needle with our right hand. So slowly have your right arm come through in between your left hand and your left knee here and twist it down. So you can either have your left hand here still up here on the ground like you would in tabletop position, or you can bring that left hand up to the sky, or you can also bring that left hand back to your right side here, touching your oblique here. Whichever one you want to do. Having it here on your side behind your back really increases that twist and helps promote a greater flexibility in your back here. So y'all are doing great. Just hold this position here. All these moves are just 1 minute, and these are our beginner yoga block floor twisting moves. So this will help you to work up to those more advanced yoga positions. And the more that we work on it, the better we will get. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so to come out of it, bring your left hand back down to the ground and slowly push up. Okay, so we only have one more move left, so make it count, y'all. Go ahead and come up back into tabletop position. This time, grab the yoga block here with your left hand, reach it up to the sky, and we're gonna thread that needle. So bringing your left arm through in between your right hand here and your right knee. So twisting down. So once again, you can either have your right hand still in the tabletop position, Or you can bring your right hand up to the sky, or you can bring it twisting to your left oblique here. Whichever one y'all want to do. Personally, I'm going to have it here on my side here because it really promotes that twisting move, which feels so great on my back. So keep holding this position here. We're just doing it for 1 minute. And this is our last move, so we are almost done. Stick with it. You've made it through the video this far, so don't quit now. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so to come out of it, bring your right hand down here into the tabletop position and slowly push yourself up. And now we are done. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to give the video a like. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.